Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Today we are going to have a warm-up activity for the chapter The French Revolution, History, Chapter 1. So, before starting the chapter, let us scratch our brains, okay? And let us have a class quiz based on your previous knowledge. Definitely, the questions that I am going to ask is connected to the chapter or the previous knowledge just to reach the topic of the chapter. Fine. So, I am not going to ask anything from within the chapter. Rather, coming to the topic, certain few things that we need to know. I am going to divide the whole class in 3 groups. Team A, Team B, Team C. And each team will get one question to answer, and when you answer, I'll be scoring. Okay, I'll be scoring under A, B and C as you answer. For one question, you will be scoring 5 marks. Okay, for correct answer. If one group is not ready to answer, the question will be passed on to second group, and if the second group is able to answer, there will be 2 bonus points. And again, original question will be asked to team B. In the similar way, A, B, C, all the 3 teams will be answering the questions. Have you got the rules?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody will jump. You will raise your hand if you know the answer. I will give you a chance to speak, then only you will speak. No other team will jump in between. Okay? Now the question goes to team A. Do we need any rules or regulations in our homes? Do we have any rules in our homes? Raise hand. Yes, Deep, stand up. Very good. Yes, we have some rules and regulations in our homes. Wonderful. You score 5 marks. Team B, question goes to you. Do we have 5 marks for Team A? Question, Team B. Who makes these rules in the family? Yes, very good, Shreyas. Only 3 hands. Rest of all should also raise hand. I'll select one. Who make these rules and regulations? Yes, Shreyas?
Our guardians in the home.
Your parents or guardians make rules in the family. Very good. Full marks. Next question goes to Team B, also scores 5 marks. Team C. Now, who or do they make rules and regulations by consulting you or on their own? Yes, Team C? Yes?
By consulting us.
Us. Now, Suraj, you have raised hand, that's why I am asking. Is it compulsory or necessary to consult all the family members before making a decision in the family?
Yes, it is necessary.
Very good, very good. Can I have a reason why it is necessary, Rajendra? Very good.
Miss, because our behavior will be very good.
You will be satisfied in your family. Very well. You are trying well. Very. Team A, you answer. So Team C also gets full marks. Wonderful answer. Question goes to Team A. Now, why it is compulsory to discuss with the family members before taking any decision? Anybody? Rehan, would you like to try beta? Why it is important? Because the rules and regulations are for us. That means you are going to obey the rule. Yes, Deep, would you like to add something? Abhimanyu, you can also speak beta. Try for it. Yes, say. Deep, let him say. Yes.
Yes, so that we can
Don't make sound. Yes, very good. You can also be a part of it, isn't it? Often the decisions that they are taking is going to affect us. Hana? We are going to be affected. When we are consulted for the decision, what is happening? We are contented. We are satisfied that the decisions are made. Now, let us come. Team B, it is. Very good answer. Team B, now tell me, what is Constitution? Lovely. Would you like to try? Very good.
This constitution is a set of law.
Louder, beta.
Constitution is a set of law according to which our governments governs a state or country.
Very good. Citizens are also governed. Very good. Very well said. It is a set of laws or rules according to which a state or country is governed. Wonderful. I'll give a star. Team A has also answered well. Team B, unexpected answer from Ayush. Wonderful done. Now, question goes to Team C. Now, these set of rules and regulations which a constitution says, isn't it? Is it made according to the will of the people? Does it give any rights or duties to you people? Team C, yes, Rajendra? Yes, it gives. Pulkit, can you tell what kind of rules and regulations we have or rights we have? Do you have any right given by the constitution?
Right to life, right to work.
Right to life. Wonderful. Constitutional remedies. They come under
Right to equality, right to freedom of religion.
freedom of religion. All these rights come under. Piyush, would you like to?
It's right against exploitation.
Right against all these rights. Team A, would you like? Wonderfully done. I give score to you. Team A, would you like to add what these rights are called? Beautiful. No collective answer. Fundamental rights. Wonderful answer. So Team C also get 5 marks. Now, question goes to team. Original question asked. Question goes to Team A. When are people dissatisfied or why do they revolt? Any idea? Put your leg in. Any idea? Yes, Jeet?
Because they do not get freedom.
Very good. They do not get freedom. More?
When their rights are violated.
Very good. When their rights are violated. Ayush?
Means when their rights are not fulfilled.
When their rights are not fulfilled. Yes, Deep? Any answer?
When they are not satisfied with the rules.
Very good. When they are not satisfied with the rules and regulations. Wonderful class. Wonderful. Amazing. So Team A also get 5 marks. Now Team B. When there is a revolution, are you satisfied with the government, Team B? No. Now, you are not satisfied with the government. And can you tell me which form of government gives you the maximum rights? Yes, Krish, wonderful.
Democracy.
Democracy, lovely. Now, Team B, we have come to the word democracy, a key word. Team C, what is the difference between democracy and monarchy? Any one difference? Vinit, you will not answer anything. Please try,
The
beta.
head of monarchy system is the king, and the head of democracy system is the president or prime minister.
Very good. Sit down. In democratic system, there is head, prime minister or president. Pulkit, would you like to add something?
In monarchy,
Louder, please.
a emperor is governed by a king and a queen.
Yes.
And in democracy, citizens are allowed to vote.
Allowed to vote. Very good. Now, one key word I wanted to ask. Anyone, would you like to add? Suraj? No idea. Rajendra, in democratic government, in monarchy, who is the king is a head or queen? But are they elected?
No, miss.
So, what kind? How do they come to the power?
Because their family members are
Yes. So, what do we use the word?
in the past.
They are hereditary. Lovely answer. Wonderful. There is hereditary government. Okay, hereditary. Now, when anybody would like to, this is common question, monarchy and democracy we have discussed. Okay, one is monarchy is hereditary head of the state or country, and the king is a democracy, the people are its head. Okay. Now question goes, what do you mean by revolution? We have studied earlier green revolution. What do you mean by revolution? Team A. Yes, Priyanshu?
When there is any drastic change in any system.
In any system. Drastic change by, what do you mean by drastic change? Anybody? A new change. Wonderful. Wonderful idea. Team B, would you like to add? When there is drastic change in the system, and why is there change? Based on whose demand? People's demand. Why do people protest and demand? Because they are not satisfied with the rules and regulations made by the government. So they try to bring a drastic change, and that is a continuous process. Revolution cannot happen in one day. There is a series of events and incidents which result into revolution. So children, today we will see how revolution occurred in the country France, a European country, France. That was our warm-up activity. All the teams have performed well and they have answered well. So in this quiz, all the three teams are equally winners. Please clap for yourself, everybody. Thank you very much. Here we complete warm-up activity.